Hello, guys. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle, boys and girls, is a binary puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, July the 13th, and I've already solved two puzzles: the Sudoku with 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. It's time for the binary time. Yes. Binary puzzle. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Oh, wait. This binary puzzle will be number 4846, I believe. Yes, almost forgot. Yes, 4846. All right, double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. And then, yeah, what is the next step? Well. I'm thinking. What is the next step? Well, I know. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowing one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Alright. 3 ones. We still have 3 ones here. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowing one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Alright. 3 O's we have here. If I place, and I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Yeah, a 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Then 3 O's we have here in the last row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this last row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be O. This should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Here we have no. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then I think we need to compare. Not sure, but we need to compare here. Not the same. We have double 1 here. Oh, overlook this one. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Overlooked. 101. We have double 1. Yeah. I know. Yeah. 3. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can mean, oh, this should be a 1. Double 1, and O, and O. If I place we have here in the first row 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Alright. Then. Yeah, need to compare. This row, column, and that column. First column. 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. Empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 6 minutes. Wow. Need to think this one. Only one time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later for the last puzzle of today, a tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. With 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.